Welcome back to Entrepreneurial Edge. Today I'm revealing 15 boring businesses that are actually secret gold mines. These are businesses you walk past every day. Laundromats, vending machines, parking lots that quietly rake in millions. Forget flashy startups. These are real businesses solving everyday problems, and their simplicity is their superpower. I'll break down how they work, how much you can make, and why boring is the new brilliant. Ready to flip your idea of wealth? Let's dive in. First up, laundromats. They run 24/7, require minimal staff, and generate steady, predictable cash flow. Customers do the work, you collect the money, plus add-ons like vending machines boost profits. Once you master one location, you can easily scale and double your income. Next, automated car washes. People always need clean cars, and automation means low labor costs. With monthly memberships and high volume, you get recurring high-margin revenue. It's a hands-off empire. Just keep the machines running and watch the money roll in. Vending machines are the ultimate passive income. Place them in high-traffic spots, and they sell for you 24/7. Start with one, reinvest profits, and soon you'll have a citywide network. Margins are huge, and scaling is simple. Self-storage units are a real estate goldmine. People always need extra space and they pay monthly. Low maintenance, predictable income, and no late-night emergencies. Build it, fill it, and let the cash flow in. Cleaning services are always in demand. Homes, offices, stores, you name it. Start solo, land recurring contracts, and scale by hiring teams. Low startup costs, unlimited clients, and steady income. Landscaping and lawn care offer year-round work, mowing, snow removal, and more. Start small, then scale with crews and commercial contracts. Hard work, but a clear path to 7 figures. Parking lots are simple, high-margin businesses in busy areas. Automate payments, keep overhead low, and let the land appreciate. It's a set-it-and-forget-it wealth builder. ATM machines earn you a fee every time someone withdraws cash. Place them in cash-heavy locations, split fees with business owners, and scale up. Each ATM is a mini money machine working for you. Automated ice and water kiosks are low-labor, high-margin businesses. People pay for convenience and the machines run 24/7. Place them strategically and collect steady, passive income. Dumpster rentals and waste removal are dirty jobs with clean profits. Contractors and renovators need your service and fees are substantial. Reliability builds your reputation and your bank account.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Septic tank services are essential, high margin, and competition is low. Emergencies mean premium pricing and recurring maintenance keeps income steady. If you're willing to do the dirty work, the rewards are huge. Mobile car detailing brings premium service to the customer's door. Low startup costs, high prices, and loyal clients make it easy to scale. Grow by hiring detailers and expanding your territory. HVAC services are recession-proof. People pay whatever it takes for comfort. Emergency repairs and maintenance contracts create stable, year-round income. Build trust and you'll build a multi-million-dollar business. Plumbing and electrical work are always in demand and command high rates. Build a reputation for reliability, hire skilled pros, and scale your team. Essential services mean endless business. Commercial trucking and delivery are the backbone of the economy. Own the trucks, secure contracts, and scale your fleet for massive revenue. You're not just driving, you're running a logistics empire. There you have it. 15 boring businesses that can make you a millionaire. They're not flashy, but they solve real problems and generate serious cash. The secret? Find a common need and be the best at meeting it. While others chase trends, you can quietly build lasting wealth. If this opened your eyes, hit like and subscribe for more business ideas. Thanks for watching Entrepreneurial Edge. See you next time.